Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make some really easy and delicious spring rolls. I hope you like them. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We'll start by cooking the rice sticks. So here I have plenty of boiling water. We're going to add in the noodles, give them a stir, and we're going to cook them for about 2 or 3 minutes or until they are done. Check the back of the package for the exact cooking time. They usually take about 2 or 3 minutes. So once the noodles are ready, now drain them and rinse them with cold water. Then set them aside to cool down and to drain a little more. Here I have the shrimp. They are already cooked and peeled. And now we're going to cut them in half lengthwise. And like I said, the shrimp is already cooked and peeled. And I'm also removing the tail from it. So I'm removing the tails and I'm cutting them in half lengthwise. After that, now season them with black pepper and salt to taste. And also add a drizzle of chili oil. Toss together so all the shrimp is well seasoned. And then set them aside for a minute. Over here I have the noodles. They are well drained and cool. Now we're going to cut them a little bit so they won't be too long. And then set them aside. Now grab the spring roll wrappers, and you can find them at any grocery store in the international food aisle. So the wrappers are very thin and stiff. We have to hydrate them first. So we need some water, and I'm just using room temperature water from the faucet. It doesn't need to be hot water or cold water. It's just plain room temperature water from the faucet. And you also need a damp, clean kitchen towel. So we're going to grab the wrapper and we're going to dip it in the water for about 15 to 20 seconds. And you don't want to leave them in the water for more than 20 seconds because they will become very sticky and you won't be able to use them at all. So just dip them in the water for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then we're going to place them on the damp, clean kitchen towel. And at this point, the wrapper is still a little bit firm, but they are easier to handle now. And they will become softer as we place the ingredients on them. So now we're going to place the rest of the ingredients on the wrapper, and you can add the ingredients in any order that you prefer. Here I'm starting with the lettuce. You can add a few leaves of lettuce in there, and then we're going to top this with about 2 tablespoons of the noodles, and then also add a little bit of the shredded cabbage and a little bit of the Juliana carrots, and you can add as much of the ingredients as you want. And to this we will also add in 2 tablespoons of the bean sprouts, then top it with the shrimp, and again feel free to add as many shrimp as you want. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some cilantro, and now we're going to roll it. So we're going to bring one of the ends towards the center, and then we're going to bring one of the sides to the center as well. Then bring the other end to the center, and then we're just going to roll it. And that's about it. We're just going to keep on doing this until we're done. So remember, we're going to first dip the wrappers in the water for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then we're going to place them on a clean kitchen towel. And then after that, we're going to add in the filling right on the center. And you can start with whatever ingredient that you prefer. You can place the shrimp first, or the lettuce, or the noodles, whatever you decide is fine. If you place the shrimp first, it makes a better presentation. And this is how they look. They are really easy to make, they are delicious, and they are perfect for this summer. I really recommend them. And you can just serve them with a little bit of peanut sauce for dipping, or just serve them with a little bit of soy sauce, and that's it. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, I'm everywhere. So all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!